Place the diffuser steady and open its cover by counterclockwise rotation. Plug the DC into its bottom before adding water less than 100 ml with a measuring cup. Please do not refill when it's in use. Now, we can add a few drops of essential oil and cover the water tank. It's very important to make sure the cover and base fits perfectly. Then, it's time to plug in. The working hours can be set with the press of Mr. key. The LED light will be turned on by pressing light button, when we can also adjust its light intensity. If we hope to stop it immediately, another long press of Mr. button will do.